I've got the time. Week 1 was just dirt and it had some flags in it. Week 2 was concrete. Week 3 was this. This is week 3. That's right. The framers framed in 3 days. They framed the entire main level. All right, you guys ready to see the house all framed?
Can I look?
Let's go.
Whoa, those are some big windows.
I know, the windows are huge.
Whoa.
Framed house. Check this out. Garage over here, main entry door, Lincoln's ginormous window. Why is it so big window? Our front door is not gonna be this big. This is just like the initial framing for stuff. Whoa, hey! It was Easter yesterday and we were gone. Happy Easter.
Claire, come here.
What?
I'm following it.
Oh, you're following it? Okay. No, don't go in Lincoln's room.
No, it says to go this way.
Okay. What is this?
Okay.
Tesla, Lincoln, Fortnite, Gaff. Wow. Let's go in Claire's room. This is your room.
Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff.
Whoa.
I don't think I have.
Look at this room. Squishies.
Look at you, don't take your stuff. Wait, this is my room?
This is your room. This is your actual bedroom.
My stuff.
Oh, why do you have a big X in the middle of your room?
Can I take this?
Yeah, take it. Oh, I guess that's just holding up the wall. So this is the room, obviously, no trusses yet. Whoa, London! Easter surprise at your new room. There's a pink one, there's a blue one, there's a green one, there's pencils. Oh, look, you even get this.
Ah, I don't want that.
Happy Easter! Lincoln, did you get that from the Easter Bunny? He's just over there eating chocolate. Ooh.
Look at this water bottle. Look it, it's an Ocho Cool water bottle.
For Rocky.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
Love Teddy the teddy bear, that's cool. This is Claire's room. She has a couple of windows back here looking out. And then she has this giant window right here that we'll look at the pool. She has a pretty nice room. This is the hallway right here. This is a hallway going to the bedrooms. Look how ginormous that window is.
It's gonna be so pretty.
Why is it so big?
I don't know. I didn't think it was gonna be this big, but it's
That is
pretty
awesome.
beautiful.
It matches this one over here. This is like a little dining room thing. And then this beast of a window. Go stand in that one too. Look at this giant window. This is going to be a door that slides open this way and this way. It doesn't hide like a pocket door, you know, where it hides on the wall. It's gonna open from both sides.
It's gonna be 11 feet 6 inches.
That is a big window, but the idea is we have this giant window that looks out at that gorgeous view out there. Kitchen over here, guest room over here. This is going to have a really beautiful, I think, glass door, some fancy kind of door here for this office piano area. Oh, look, there's a bird in there. Why is that bird living there? It's an Easter bunny bird.
Oh, it's so cute.
What are you doing there, bird? The first person to live inside our house is this bird. Am I even on it? Oh yeah, I am. Okay. It'll never be this way again. This week it's going to get a roof on it. How crazy is that? In 1 week, in 2 weeks, framed and a roof. This is the long hallway that goes to the master. Okay, we walk down here. Do 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 do. A nice window looking out. A doorway coming into here, and here's the master. Wow, look at that window right there. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It's amazing how much nicer it looks once you've actually seen it framed. I mean, last week it was just concrete and it was kind of hard to envision. I even struggled like showing you guys what was going on because it was hard to see. Now that it's framed, it gives you a lot more sense of what the house is going to look like. We've been drawing this out for the last 8 months and now it's finally coming to a reality. What is this little thing? What is this room? Like a closet room? I don't really understand this one.
Is it storage?
I don't know, maybe.
This is the storage space.
It's like big enough to be a bedroom. It has a window too.
It's perfect.
So up here in the imaginary area, we're gonna have a surprise and hopefully it'll come to fruition next week, but we'll show you a special room that we have upstairs.
Did the bird make a nest?
I think it's making a home there.
Why is it doing that?
I don't know. We decided to make our own office. As you saw in last week's video, we showed you the concrete for it. But we're gonna have our own office that's built into the house just to make things more convenient and fun, because we can go in the office and film some stuff, have fun, do gaming. Let's see where it is, Lincoln. This is gonna be a big sliding wall. And then this is where we're gonna put like maybe Zach Jerry Rig IN sign that he made for us. The Jimmy John sign, what's inside sign, and we'll put some more stuff on this side. We'll have a table to film, to unbox stuff, take stuff apart. That's gonna be like a bathroom. and stuff. And then this room will probably be, this room right here is possibly a gaming room. So we'll have gaming set up in here.
It's a large room.
It is a large room, and the pool will be right here. And right out here will be the stairs to a slide, and then the slide will go over to the pool, hopefully.
I want to slide.
We set it up in a way that whenever we sell our home, this can easily be a pool house for guests. This would be a really nice pool house as a nice option for somebody that's buying this that isn't a YouTuber. I don't know what the people behind us are going to do with their lot. They could turn that thing into a giant house that completely blocks our view. Neighbors, if you do that, I'm not a fan of you. There she is, enjoying her master bedroom view. These are our builders, Susan and Jonathan. Susan is a really good interior designer. Jonathan is a really good builder. All right, Lincoln has a question for you, something really important.
What is this huge nail?
Look at this thing. It's huge.
So it's actually a big bolt that helps hold the walls in. So the engineering, they see, you can see they drill these big old holes.
Oh.
Is that where it goes?
Yeah.
Do they have to drill a hole first
They do.
and then drill the screw in?
Yep, they do.
There we go. Okay, we're still at the point where a few decisions can be made, and they're kind of important decisions, at least I think they're important. You can see Lincoln in our office studio right now. The cool thing about this is it's called a pocket window, pocket door, where this is all going to be glass, and we can slide it open and it hides in that wall right there. So it just looks like we're on the outside, and then you've got the pool. I'm actually standing in the pool right now. But what's our options that we have? We can change it, right? We can go a little
So on
higher.
the plans it's at 8 feet tall, but we framed it taller in case you wanted to go taller.
How tall is that right now?
So it's about 10 feet. So we could end up doing about a 9'6" tall slider that pockets in.
What is
Costs a
the,
lot more.
how much more does it cost?
5,000 more.
How much?
5,000.
5,000 more. So for $5,000 more, we can gain 1 foot and 6 inches of height. Is it worth it?
No.
Yes.
Leslie says no. Susan says yes.
No, it's not.
Lincoln,
Yes. Yes. You're totally doing that.
I don't know. That's a lot of money. But you can only build this house once. Maybe it'll add some value. Let us know in the comments. What would you do, or what do you think we should do on that?
I would be fine with that. How about we cut out your smart toilet that you want?
Nope, that's not happening. I'd rather have the ceiling shorter.
Leslie's really giving me a hard time about these Japanese toilets, but we've got to have at least 2 of them in the house.
No. One, if anything, one.
That's a debate for another day. House tour update week number 3, framing. What do you guys think about it? I'm curious to know your thoughts from what you saw today. What are you doing there, bird? What are you doing in our house? Rocky.